Today we show you ANENG's digital tester pen, removable dual-purpose badge. Easily switch between word or cross. High strength. You can twist whatever you want. 2 body colors are available. High definition highlight dual color screen. High voltage red screen. Low voltage green screen. Easily identify 0 firewire. Firewire bright red screen. 0 line bright green screen. AC voltage. Maximum measurable 450V. Induced voltage. Quickly find live lines. When the voltage is sensed, it will ring. Check again, it will ring here. This line has electricity. On-off beep. Is the line connected? Just touch it and you'll know. If it rings, it will be turned on. If it doesn't ring, it doesn't conduct. This one is broken. The insurance too can also be tested. This line is broken. The blue line rings. It works. The brown line doesn't ring. It doesn't work. The voltage range measures that this is a live wire. Connect the brown wire here. Then use the induced voltage to find the breakpoint. It will ring when it senses electricity. It stops ringing here. Try again. It will ring here. Attention. Still no sound. That's where the breakpoint is. This is a pen holder. It is also a touch pull. Large area is more convenient. Full contact is required during testing. Powered by 2 AA batteries. Easy to operate. One-click power on. Press this key to switch the function. Long press to turn on the flashlight. It's no problem to find the line in low light. Automatic shutdown without operation for about 3 minutes.